Okay, this is a video tutorial to replace the motor inside the Eufy Robovac 11 or 11C. This motor doesn't actually work with the 11S. That's a slimmer one, which is a completely different motor. So first of all, the tools you'll need. So screwdriver, standard Phillips, and something to pry, something that's flat with a point that you can use to leverage. So you can use well, I've got a pair of tweezers here, but you can also have a small flathead screwdriver, a knife that isn't too sharp. Yeah, so there's a lot of options there. So first of all, we want to take the enclosure off. There are 3 screws here, so you want to take those off. Take this off. You'll notice there's some silicone oil or silicone grease. Just be careful. I'm wearing gloves. I'd recommend you do the same because it does get a little bit messy. So there are two screws here and here. Your one might be more submerged in grease than mine, so yeah, just be mindful. We need to get that cog, that motor, because the replacement doesn't have that. It's the right size to put it on, but it doesn't have it included. So this is where your prying instrument comes into play. So just try and get underneath it and just give it a twist to gently ease it out. Once it gets to about there, you can just pull. It comes off like that. Discard that. This is your old one. Make sure you don't put that one back in. So when you're putting the gear back on, just offer it up over there, and then till it clicks. Then you got it's on nicely there. No soldering required. This is already pre-soldered. So we just need to reverse what we just did. So there's a few things to note here, a few obstacles. So you'll notice here there's a hole over here, and there's also a protruding point just over there, if you can see that there. You want to get that hole and that protruding point to line up. If you get it the wrong way round, you'll have this pushing the motor up, and you'll have this kind of, like, you can see there's a gap there. You don't want that gap. You want it to be nice and flush. The only way to get it flush is to get that hole into that. So if we just offer it up here. Best way to do it really is to actually look from a bird's eye view and make sure the holes are visible. And you get your screwdriver. Get this, put it on like that, and just make sure it's all loose and nice. Then we put the faceplate on. Get the screws. So that's that. This is the finished product, and it's now turning nicely. Got some good spin there, nice and quiet. So that's the replacement complete. You can see it's all back in place. There's no gap. That's an important thing to note. There's no gap in there, and it spins really nicely. You try and make sure it spins good, so when you let go, it continues to spin for a little bit. If it doesn't spin as well, maybe you've tightened the motor too tight to the body, so just loosen it up a little bit, and also make sure that you've put the cogs in the right configuration. There's not a cog upside down or misaligned in any way, and yeah, then you're ready to go, and you're ready to install that back into the Robovac. I'll also leave a link in the description where you can buy this motor. We import the highest quality spare parts, so you can buy with confidence. Good luck.